Have you ever wondered? Why does a mirror show your face exactly as it is? The answer lies in two simple rules that light always follows. These are the laws of reflection. When light hits a smooth surface like a mirror, it doesn't scatter randomly. It bounces back in a perfectly predictable way. To understand how, we need three things: the incident ray, the normal line, and the reflected ray. First, the normal line. Draw an imaginary line that is perfectly perpendicular to the mirror exactly at the point where light hits. That line is called the normal. It always makes a 90-degree angle with the mirror surface, and it is our reference for measuring everything. The angle the incoming light makes with the normal is called the angle of incidence, theta I. The angle the reflected light makes with the normal is the angle of reflection, theta R. Important. Both angles are always measured from the normal, not from the mirror surface. The first law of reflection states the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence. All three lie in the same plane. Think of a flat sheet of paper. All three lines exist on that same flat surface. The second law is the most important one. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Light hits at 30 degrees. It bounces back at exactly 30 degrees. 45 degrees in, 45 degrees out. Always equal, always predictable. Theta I equals theta R. Let's see this in action. At 20 degrees, the reflection is 20 degrees. At 45 degrees, exactly 45 degrees back. At 65 degrees, 65 degrees out. No matter what angle you choose, the reflected angle always mirrors it perfectly. Quick recap. The normal is perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence. First law, the incident ray, normal, and reflected ray are all coplanar. Second law, angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. These laws apply to all smooth, polished surfaces, mirrors, still water, polished metal. And that's the laws of reflection. Two simple laws, perfectly predictable light. If this helped you, subscribe to Physics Explained for more videos just like this. Keep exploring physics.